family, another day, another video. So this is episode 3 of What Not to Buy. So my Instagram, my YouTube was filled with reels of how lovely good the shampoo and conditioner of Love Beauty and Planet are, and specifically these ones of argan oil and lavender. So I was like, why not to give it a shot and make my hair shiny and healthy as well. So I bought these two minis. So these are the sample ones that I got from the brand, that is Love Beauty and Planet. And you know the hype, right? Hype of how argan oil and lavender is game changer. Okay, so again, a disclaimer that it's a personal experience, not sponsored, and the experience can vary from product to product, right? So talking about mine, honestly, it was not good. So I won't hype the products like other people that, oh my god, it was amazing, the conditioner, the shampoo, they were like, the game changer, because they were not. The shampoo, okay, so first I'll tell the specifications of the product. So there are argan oil and lavender, as you can read, and it's the shampoo and it's the conditioner. The both are in the same variant, argan oil. The fragrance, it's really amazing, it's really nice. And they claim that they are sulfate free and paraben free, as well as they say here, if you could zoom and see, plant based, and and you can see here they are PETA approved and vegan as well. So they're not for sale, you can say they're free sample products. So these are the minis that I got. But as per the videos and reels that I have seen, they make the hair really shiny, they glow and everything. But they did opposite. Number one thing, the very first thing that they did was they made my hair really, really frizzy, dry, and my hair fall. Oh, girls, please, if you have a problem of hair fall, this product claims that that your hair fall would be cured, but it was totally opposite for me. It got worse, so I have to try other products to get cure from the hair fall and the frizziness this product leads to. So to my experience, these two products I won't recommend. It's a complete no. It's like, don't go for it. It's a complete no for me. You want to try, you can. It might be possibility that it was not a game changer for me, but might be a game changer for somebody else. But yes, so that is my experience. If you could see, I'll show. Here you can see the conditioner. I don't know, but if you could see, it's completely full. See, it's not used, it's filled till here. So I've not used it. I tried using it 2-3 times, but the results were so bad, and I love my hair. I don't want to ruin them by making them dry, frizzy. So, and same for the shampoo. I think I gave more chance to the shampoo. It's completely filled till here. So not a good experience. Sorry, no offense to the brand, no offense to the people who love it. This is totally my personal experience, so rest, it's on you. So yes, that's all. And please guys, show some love, the BTS army, the people, the family. Please show some love. It's a new creator, want your support. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll be coming with